Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we will be discussing the importance of kidney health and how to naturally detox and cleanse your kidneys. Before we get started, I just wanted to remind you to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And if you enjoy today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below with your thoughts. Now, let's get into it. Our kidneys are vital organs responsible for filtering toxins from our blood, regulating our blood pressure and BF levels, and producing hormones. Unfortunately, due to our modern lifestyle, our kidneys can become overwhelmed and damaged. But don't worry, in this video, we will share 10 ways to detox and cleanse your kidneys naturally. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated is key to kidney health. Drinking water helps flush toxins out of the kidneys and supports their function. Aim to drink at least 8-10 glasses of water per day, and more if you're physically active. Eat a kidney-friendly diet. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and low-fat dairy can help improve kidney function. Avoid high-sodium foods, processed foods, and foods high in sugar. Foods rich in antioxidants like blueberries, kale, and red bell peppers can help protect your kidneys from damage. Reduce salt intake. High levels of sodium can increase blood pressure and cause damage to your kidneys. Limit your salt intake by avoiding processed foods, canned goods, and adding less salt to your meals. Try kidney cleansing teas. Herbal teas like dandelion root, nettle, and parsley can help improve kidney function by increasing urine production, flushing toxins, and reducing inflammation. These teas can be consumed daily to help support your kidneys. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise can help improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and lower blood pressure, all of which are essential for kidney health. Aim to exercise for at least 30 minutes per day, most days of the week. Reduce alcohol consumption. Consuming alcohol in excess can increase blood pressure and put extra strain on your kidneys. Moderate your alcohol intake and try to limit it to no more than 1 drink per day for women and 2 drinks per day for men. Quit smoking. Smoking can damage your kidneys and increase your risk of kidney disease. If you smoke, quitting is the best thing you can do to improve your kidney health and overall health. Get enough sleep. A good night's sleep is essential for overall health, and it's no different for your kidneys. During sleep, your body repairs and regenerates, including your kidneys. Aim for at least 7-8 hours of sleep per night. Manage stress. Stress can increase blood pressure and cause inflammation, which can damage your kidneys. Try to manage your stress levels by practicing mindfulness, meditation, or yoga. Consider kidney-friendly supplements. Some supplements can help improve kidney function, such as omega-3 fatty acids, CoQ10, and vitamin D. Talk to your doctor or a licensed healthcare practitioner before adding any supplements to your routine. So there you have it, 10 natural ways to detox and cleanse your kidneys. By incorporating these lifestyle changes, you can help support your kidneys and improve their function. Remember, maintaining healthy kidneys is vital for overall health and well-being. If you have any concerns about your kidney health, speak with your doctor or a licensed healthcare practitioner. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video was helpful. See you in the next one.